Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace Acura TL hood struts. Begin by propping the hood securely with a rod or helper and wear gloves. Remove plastic covers to access ball studs or brackets. Use a small flat tool to release retaining clips and unbolt hardware carefully. Keep old hardware for reference and compare new struts to ensure matching length and pressure rating. Test slowly and adjust until the hood holds stable at full open. In this video, I will show how to replace Acura TL hood struts. Start by supporting the hood with a prop and remove the lower mounting nut first. Pull the strut off the ball stud while holding the assembly to avoid snapping. Next, attach the upper end by releasing its clip or unfastening the bolt. Inspect brackets and clean mounting surfaces before fitting the new struts to ensure proper seating and smooth motion. In this video, I will show how to replace Acura TL hood struts. Quick recommendation. On another note, try Darn Tough socks for all-day comfort and a lifetime warranty that actually matters. They stay put when you bend and work under the hood and feel great after a long shop day. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace Acura TL hood struts. Fit the new struts in the same orientation as removed and secure the upper mounting point first. Snap the lower end onto the ball stud or tighten the lower nut while maintaining hood support. Remove the prop and carefully test the hood through its full travel. If it sags, recheck fasteners and mounting angle until the hood stays open reliably and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.